Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 11 and Windows 10 camera blocked. Fix it fast with easy solutions. First method is change privacy and security settings. Second method, end application used camera. Third method is update camera. Fourth method is reset and repair camera app. Fifth method is troubleshoot camera. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.